I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, for the record, for the record, for the record, for the record. Been a little too nice to y'all. Now I gotta up price for y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all. Shoulders on ice for y'all. A6 all the hate. I won't get a ball today. Got lost in the ball and A's. I'm flipping the bars, I'm flipping the on record, off record. I still count wins when they got it. On record, off record. I let them take advantage. I was wildin'. On record, off record deals. Tell them talk to Colin for the quote. On record, off record. I still want the act, not the ghost. For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, for the record.
Comes out here and says, I think this is the true meaning of a compact car. Good morning from Pomona, California. It's race day. Let's do this. Okay. Now I'm in a rush getting ready because I gotta put stickers on the car for Miss Heather. Well, they go up for driver intros. I'm not up there today because I don't have anything I need to film up there. I mean, Heather will film Dad doing his intro, so put stickers on. Semi-professional sticker applicationator. This is getting annoying. There's a truck over there that the alarm's going off. Another one just started over here. I don't want to listen to this all day. Hopefully we can go fast soon and stop listening to beeping. Our truck's getting a wee bit toasty here. I believe that's the culprit. Huh. Just a wee bit toasty. Alright, fourth pair against Mr. Robert Height. Let's do this.
Gonna have to get that thing regrouped in a hurry because we're headed for Vegas.
Let's roll, let's do this, let's go racing. Yes! Let's go! Let's go to round two, baby!
Terry Haddock, the TD Express trucking car. It has been very much forward progress for Terry Haddock so far in this early part of the season. With Johnny West along part of his crew, he has run as quick as 4:02 this weekend. This is a car that if another machine makes a mistake beside him, will capitalize. And they made a mistake. Terry Haddock's going on to round two. 4015, 310.55 miles an hour. This is what happens, Tony. He has concentrated on one car this year. He has brought in good help, and that is a great run.
Down here with Johnny West, and you get Terry Haddock a win against a three-time champion. You guys have continued to sneak up on this thing. It's running very well now.
Well, we're just trying to run it like we do the fuel altered, running on a 6.0 breakout. Now we're on a 4-second breakout, and that's all there is to it. It's just that simple.
That is amazing. Let's go.
Did it!
Yes. Let's go. Yes.
6.0 breakout, 4-second breakout.
Yes. That's also Dad's fastest ever run. Let's go. Yes. What do you think about that, buddy? job. Yes!
I love you guys. I love you guys.
Yes!
Down here with Terry Haddock, you know, one of the fun parts of this job is watching the celebrations like what I just saw with you and your son embracing down there. 402, it was a great run. You took out the champ. What are you feeling right now, Terry?
You know, I just feel so blessed to be here. Got to say thank you to all the fans everywhere that support us. It's amazing as we work hard to have all the well wishes that come over to internet and Facebook and Instagram and all the stuff that I don't know nothing about. Thank you to God. Thank you to all my sponsors, T&D Express, Priority Systems, all my buddies that pitch in, Johnny West for helping straighten me out. I mean, I just love doing it. So I'd say thank you to Heather and my boys, everybody. It's a family deal, and we're trying our best. Thank you so much.
Yes! That is cool. Yes!
That's our biggest thing right there.
The background, it sounds like it's going to be about
So we've got a Phoenix round 1 matchup, a rematch with Tim Wilkerson for round 2. He ran a 4:41 or maybe a 4:44 first session. So we're gonna go out, just run our race, see what we can do, and yeah.
Steve Torrance,
Quick prayer
415.
before we go.
Looked like he was pulling
Lord,
away.
I just ask that you
Capco's
please
car
keep
started
Dad
to leave
safe,
a little
and I'm
Goodyear
extremely
contrails down the
grateful
other end of the
for
racetrack,
what
and
we
he
got
fell
to do
back.
first
Justin
round,
races Antoine on
and
one
just
side.
thank you for the
Pseudo teammate.
opportunities that we
Whitney
have to
races
be able to
Austin
do
on the
this,
other.
to be
They are
able to do
teammates.
the coolest stuff out there. Thank you, and it's through you, Lord, that you're do it again. In my prayer. Amen.
I mean, I don't know if I told you so, but...
Let's get it, buddy!
Wow, it's going to be Terry Haddock. 4:05.8, 306 miles an hour, and they are sprinting back to the tow vehicle. Wilkerson had it in hand until he didn't. The sand slipped through the hourglass.
To the semis! To the semis, Miss Heather! Yes!
Oh my gosh.
Yes! Let's go! Yes! What do you think of that, Mr. Terry?
You okay?
We're good.
We're good?
What do you think about that, Mr. Joey?
I like it.
To the semis!
Good job, ladies.
Yes!
Go, we gotta go.
Well, Terry Haddock just making small work of the rest of the competition here in Funny Car. With that win, that qualifies you for the next stop in Joliet, which is the Too Fast, Too Tasty Challenge by Mission Foods. How does that sound?
Well, the first thing we got to do is say thank you to God, because this is amazing. It's amazing that you can come out here and give all you got for all these years. And when you work hard and you don't give up, you get your chance. Thank you to our sponsors, everybody that helps us. Back to your question, it's cool as heck to be involved in that. I guess you get some more money if you win that, but just going rounds is amazing. Getting to drive this race car is amazing. Thank you so much to the fans, everybody that lets us do this. T&D Express, Priority Systems, Fisher Body Shops. There's so many people, my friends, that are always trying to help us. We don't have a lot, but we keep going. Thank you so much.
Yes!
So much to the fans, everybody that lets us do this.
Yes!
Express, Priority Systems, Fisher
That's
Body
my
Shops.
dad!
They're always trying to help us. We don't have a lot, but we keep going.
Yes! Alright, we're gonna go get it serviced. I'm gonna lose my voice by the end of the day, but I don't care. We don't need our voices to win. going up to the lanes for the semifinals. Let's do this. We cannot say thank you enough to the Schumacher team for coming over and helping us. They made it so we could be up here this round. So big thank you to all those guys.
miles an hour is Terry Haddock, a more than respectable 4.11.0 with 299 miles an hour. A memorable day at the races for Terry Haddock comes at the hand of a big guy in a very fast race car.
And I'm down here with Johnny West, the crew chief for Terry Haddock, and I know that round didn't go exactly how you wanted, but boy, what a weekend for this team.
You know, this has been a blessing. These guys, they work so hard. You know, you can't even fathom how much work goes into this when they get out here. All the credit goes to Terry, his girlfriend Heather, and these guys. They're just unbelievable. It'll make my job easy. This is a piece of cake for me.
Back-to-back weekends with strong performances, and you get to race in the Mission Foods Too Fast, Too Tasty Challenge when we get to Chicago.
He's ready. He'll do it. There's no problem there.
Hey, ladies and gentlemen, Terry Haddock and his team have been out here for a lot of years fighting a good fight. That's one of the best days they ever had at the office. I am already looking forward to the next time.
Well, this is Mike.
My wife
Hi, Mike. How are you, sir?
But
that is cool.
He's doing a one-legged stand here.
When I'm there,
she's saying hello.
She tries to chase my wife away. And, they're real jealous.
They say female.
Up. They have a real step. There you go, buddy.
Thank you for letting me say hi to him.
That is so cool.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I wanted a female.
Tyler, come here.
I'm not giving up my female.
Yeah.
I only take 2 grams.
I remember him from last year, actually. Buddy, I would touch you, but you're not going to be white anymore. That's pretty rad.
That is really rad. Thank you, sir. That is really cool.
Cool, man.
I just wanted to say thank you very much to all you guys. What a cool day. I'm so proud of y'all. Look at that. Freaking bad Johnny West. Yeah! So thank you guys for jumping in to help. That is cool. That's the neatest thing to see when people come and help and jump right in. Thank you.
We appreciate y'all.
Yeah, that's all you got.
Good time. Those 2 guys, that's part of this whole family that we always talk about. That's what real respect is for. That's cool, you guys.
Them's my boys.
Support behind you guys, for
You guys are awesome. Thank you.
Well, we know that LJ helps you out, so
He helps all the
We'll be
time.
able to help you too. You might be listening.
He'd probably run us off.
Funny car driving with Steve. All right, the end of this video, I don't even know what to say. I'm making it up as I go. It's the next morning. Last night we went and had dinner with the guys and just had fun and basically went to the hotel and slept. My body hurts in ways that it's never hurt before. And I'm exhausted, but it was worth it. It was really, really, really worth it. That was the coolest day ever. So many good things happened yesterday. Round 2, the 4:01 that we ran, that's another career best for Dad. Going to the semis, that's Dad's 14th career round win was round 2, and then round 1 was 13. And then Dad's made it to the semis before, but it was on a bye to the semis, so yesterday we really, really earned it. And I just, this is the coolest stuff on the planet, and every day I wake up and I thank God for the opportunities that I have to be able to do this and be here doing it with my family, with Dad, with Tyler, with Heather, with all these guys, and it's really, really cool. And not to mention that, and then all the people that help us, Tim and Debbie at T&D Express, Pat from Priority System, Sierra Auto Group, Tovar, Nick, all these guys. I'm probably forgetting some. WSM. We wouldn't be able to do it without all these guys. And yesterday we proved that we can really, really do it. And we have a fighting chance. American Pool Supply. I'm sorry, I'm still exhausted. It was a long day yesterday. But another thing, I gotta say the biggest of thank yous to the Skag Racing, or the Maynard Racing Skag Top Fuel Dragster team. John and Goldilocks got all of them guys over, and we would not have made it without them. We had some complications in getting the car ready for the next session. Like, a parachute was messed up, so somebody had to replace it, and all of that stuff. And we wouldn't have done it without those guys. So, huge thank you to all those guys. I don't even know all your guys' names. You guys just showed up and helped. People from everywhere did. And I really appreciate it. And Goldilocks and John, thank you guys so much for getting them over there and helping. I don't even know what to say from there, honestly. That was such an amazing day. It's just so cool getting to do it with my family and to be able to do all this stuff. And yesterday, we all figured it out. We worked together amazingly. First, from round 1 to round 2, we had no help. We had to do it all ourselves, and we did. And then, thank God, the Maynard Racing guys stepped in for round 2 because we had stuff that we needed help with, like bottom end, all kinds of stuff. So just biggest of thank yous to those guys again. And this weekend, California gave me a reason to like it, at least this track. So on that note, I can't wait to do it again in Vegas. We're also in that Too Fast, Too Tasty challenge in Chicago, which is going to be fantastic. Let's go out and see what we can do. We got a rematch with Hagen there. And on that note, never, ever, ever give up, because it's worth it. Chase your dreams. Do whatever you have to do, because it's worth it. It is so, so worth it.